Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to keep screen on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. If you don't want to let your device screen sleep, and then you can take this way. Well, here you can open the settings option on your device. Okay, and then scroll a little bit. And then you can select lock screen menu. Okay, and then in this section, you can press the first one. And then here you can choose never option at the very bottom. Okay, and then your device screen will keeping on. Well, that's the tutorial on how to keep screen on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.